What's up, everybody? So we are back working on the Mustang. Today's project is kind of something simple and small, but I'm trying to do something, even if it's little, to try and get some of the small things knocked out whenever we're not actually wiring this thing. Today, as some of you might have seen, we don't have a cowl anymore for the Mustang. We took that off. So a company I've kind of known back for a little while, Scott Rod Fabrications, makes this cowl kit. Looks like it's pretty nice. The unfortunate thing is that it actually says you cannot use the factory hood hinges. So that kind of stinks because we don't have a lift-off hood, but we were going to have to do something on the hood anyway because the factory hood latch is now gone because of the tube front. So I got a couple ideas of what we can do, but I think for just this video we're just going to show installing the actual cowl itself, and then we'll worry about the hood later. Alright, first thing is first, we're definitely going to get this hood off of here, and then we're probably going to take these hinges off too. Alright, so unfortunately, like anything I buy aftermarket, this thing's gonna have to be trimmed. I think it's supposed to, oh, and there's no instructions. I think it's supposed to go up underneath, but it hits the ridge underneath here before this can go fully seated against the rail. So I'll have to mark and cut and try to get this thing to fit. Alright, I think this is going to be my first cut to help it go around the fender better. Alright, here's my second cut. First one was here, and just to be able to go around the fender, and this one to clear the A-pillar. Alright, I think I got it to fit pretty good. So, touching there. Fits pretty good there. And we're following the byline. So I'll probably have to drill a couple holes. They gave me some rivets, but might see if I can't find a few small self-tappers just to hold it in place for the time being. There you go. First one's on. Looks pretty good, I think. Let's start messing with the other one. Okay, so we're working on the other side. See that little line there? That's going to be our second cut. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so there it is. She's on there. I'm not going to rivet it on. It's just the regular screws until after we're done wiring it, just in case we want to put anything behind these. I don't think we will, but I'd hate to drill out rivets. This does say brace. It is kind of wobbly a little bit, and they gave me some mounts that can, I believe, go here. I'm not really sure, but so I did have to cut this, and then trim here to get it to fit. I might actually still follow the windshield a little bit better, as the rest of it's like that. And then pretty much the same thing on the other side. So, phew, it's really bright. There it is. So, alright guys, well, that's going to be it for this episode. Again, we're going to continue on doing wiring, but I'm just kind of trying to do small things when we're not wiring, at least stuff that I can do. So, as always, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, we'll see you later.